Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video of your girl Avia doing a nice install. Like, yeah, your girl. Anyways, in the bag, it came with that instruction and it came with that wig cap. It's a mesh cap at this point, no wig cap. Use that to do sew-ins with two scrunchies and then the adjustment bands if you want to sew it to the wig to make the wig tighter or not. So that's what actually came in the bag. I feel like all of the stuff that came in the bag was actually useless to me. Well, the scrunchie wasn't useless, but everything else was useless, bro, because I'm not going to add those band to it to get it tighter. I already tied the straps in the back together and call it a day. So the unit is Kinky Curl, right? Kinky Curl, 18-inch, 180 density, right? 180 density. First, only thing I hate about these wigs though, like the the length. That's the only problem I be having with that, the type of wig, the length. And they claim that the wig is 13 by 4. That wig is 13 by 2, babes. 13 by 2. That is not no 13 by 4. Disappointed. Anyways, so I'll rate this wig overall a solid 8 out of 10. And I'm going to give you some reason why I give it an 8 out of 10, right? So, firstly, for the cons, right? One, the wig, the lace is not no 13 by 4. That's 13 by 2. I don't care what nobody want to say 13 by 2. Could barely, you have no parting space or anything like that in it. 2, they overpluck the unit. Overpluck that unit. When I tried to make my baby hair, it was a struggle for me to get some good hair. They overplucked it. That's all I know. Like, they overplucked that unit. The wig itself was very much small, right? If you have a big head, like mine, my head is not that big, but it's a little bit big, right? If your head is big, it's gonna take you a while to pull that lace and let the lace stay in in place, right? In place. Secondly, I think I'm on third. I honestly don't. Oh, thirdly or fourthly, I forgot which one I was at this point. But anyways, the way it tangles a lot. That's my thing, right? I didn't like that because, like, I normally use my comb just to detangle my units, and I had to use my hand because I already had the wig on my head and I didn't want to pull it out the glue, right? So I end up had to use, like, stop what I was doing and use my hand to, like, go through it little by little. So that was basically it, right? And then the pros, right? Them knots, baby. Them knots, baby, was very much small. Like, them knots was not big. It was small. So you was able to lay the way.
I think he was on the phone and he smiled.
Oh my god, I am never moving this. Like, this boy I don't know why. Like, Kai, please leave me alone. I'm sorry, guys. But anyways, back to this video. Like, the knots are very small. Like, I love that about it. Like, the knots was so small. Like, small. And the knots was just small. I don't know what else to say, yo. Like, the knots was very small. And I was able to do my baby hair, right? Because when them knots be big, I be scared to do them baby hairs because it take forever just to pluck them hair. And I have my patience runs very, very, very low when it comes to plucking, yo. So that, and then the wig, it didn't have any smell with it, so that was good. Like, there was no funky smell with the unit or anything like that. It smelled like it smelled okay. I'm not gonna be like, oh, it smells good, because ain't no hair smell good unless you wash it. I didn't wash this wig. I just took it straight out the pack and put it on my head, and then the wig laid really well. It blends really well with my skin. I think it was transparent lace. Talking about transparency, I work in Amazon too damn much. Anyways, transparent lace or HD. I forgot which one it is, but like I said, the link will be in the description box below, so you will be able to click on it and see the unit. The lace did melt very well, and that's something I'll give it a plus for that. Very much well. The unit was 180 density, and it was thick. It didn't shred a lot. It don't shred at all. I will give it that much. It don't shred at all, right? And yeah, like overall, the unit is very well. The unit is very, very nice. Like I would encourage every and anyone that's on a budget and they don't really care about the length of the wig. You could go with an 18-inch or 20-inch, stuff like that. This unit is for you. I'll tell you that much. This unit is for you. You're in a front, you know, my baddie and budgets. This unit is for you, bro. Like, check it out, purchase it, and install it, and you see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm never gonna sit here and lie to y'all. Like, this unit was fire. But anyways, let's get into this install a little bit, right? As you can see on the wig, when I was cutting the lace, you know, you gotta cut the lace from both of them. It don't matter, right to left, left to right, don't even matter. Just split the middle and cut that lace. I've noticed that the wig is kind of lean on my head, and that's what I don't like about little, what's it called, small caps, or you know, small caps, small lace, not lace, small caps. Like the wig itself was small, and the lace, like it was just small, so it was kind of crooked in my head. But like I said, I end up working with it because after, you know, when I style it and stuff like that, you can't really see it, but you can see it. But I was able to work around it and use it, right? So still cutting off the lace, and as you can see, that lace was not invisible, but that lace was lacing, right? Girlies, that lace is lacing. So do not sleep on these Amazon wigs, babes. Like, if it's not your birthday, or if it's your birthday, you could actually go on Amazon and find you a nice freaking wig. So my next video, before I post one more install video, I'm going to post a video of how to find good wigs on Amazon, right? How to like search for good units and not get the wacky tacky or the half synthetic, half human hair type of wigs. I'm going to post a video of that and walk you guys through the process, and also walk you guys through the process of what to use to get a flawless install, right? So even though the unit, right? So, oh yes, after I've finished cutting off the lace, I just used one of my comb tooth and applied the glue to where the lace was lifted, and that's exactly what I've been doing. I also was keeping on my blow dryer so I could just dry the lace as I go, dry the glue as I go, so I didn't have to worry about much, right? That's something I feel like came in handy when I was doing my baby hair, and also when I was applying my glue and spreading the glue over. I turn on my blow dryer and keep it on cool and set it up in a way where it's blowing in my face. But not everyone likes that, right? I did it because it was more convenient for me. And then right now I'm using my Ruby Kiss foundation to blend that lace. And as you guys could see, no ash, no nothing. And then I use the melting spray because I'll show you guys the melting spray before I did the Ruby Kiss. And look upon that. Look, punny, like, look at the damn unit, bro. Like, look at that. It was you can't see the lace or anything like that. So that's basically what I did. And I put back the melting band around it, and look at that. Look upon that, no goodie. Look. It melts, mama. It melts. It did that. Like, look at that. You can't even see the lace. You can't even see the lace, love. Like, you should, guys, my loves, you guys are my loves, you need to invest in this unit. Yeah, invest in that. It did it for me. It did it, and it did it. Like, I'm still in the fact that it did it. It was a really, really good unit. I will give this company a round of applause, like a thumbs up, all of that, like a round of a freaking applause. Because they did that with the unit, even though, you know, they don't need to overplug the unit like that. Like, I get it that y'all want to make our life much easier, and so you can't do much for people, but take your time. You don't have to pluck that much. Like, they didn't have to do all that extra stuff because it was a little bit of bald spot in the plucking in the front area when I was putting on the unit. There was a bald, like a 1 or 2 bald spots around the edges, and I'm like, yeah, this is kind of too much. So less plucking, or take your time when you're plucking. That's just my review for the wig company. FYI, this wig is not sponsored by anyone. I bought this unit myself, and I did my own research when it comes to it to see if it's a good unit or not, and it was. Like, even with those couple cons that I had with it, this is a really good unit. If you're in a budget and you need something really quick to use, this is it. It did come fast as well. It was like a day. I ordered like a Friday and I got it the Saturday, or I think I ordered it the Thursday and I got it the Friday. So I got 2-day shipping. You have Prime and whatsoever. So yeah, for some reason, like, this Cricut wig is blowing minds. Like, it's blowing minds right now. I'm looking at it and it's bothering me. This shit is bothering me. I want to cry right now. Like, it's bothering me now. Like, looking at it from right here, it's really, really bothering me. But the install still came out flawless, so I really don't care, honest. But I'm gonna leave you guys at this because I wasn't doing much, rather than taking out the baby hair and doing the baby hairs as well too. And that was pretty much what I did. And then I styled it. I basically did that, right? Style it, and then you're gonna see the end results at the end. So before you exit the video, guys, like, share, subscribe, and drop a 1 or 2 comments in that comment section. Don't just no comment. Drop a 1 or 2 comment in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out, my loves. Enjoy your day and have a great one.